Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the area so dirt doesn't scratch the steel. Use soap and water, then dry. Next, heat the sticker with a hair dryer for 30 to 60 seconds on medium to soften the adhesive. Once warm, lift a corner with your fingernail or a plastic card. Avoid metal tools that scratch. If the edge refuses to lift, reapply heat briefly and try again. Patience here prevents damage and makes the rest of the removal much easier. After peeling the label, treat remaining glue with isopropyl alcohol or a citrus-based adhesive remover so the residue softens and lifts. Use a microfiber cloth and rub in small circular motions to avoid streaks. This protects the stainless finish. For stubborn patches, use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle while keeping the surface wet with solvent. If residue comes back, repeat solvent application and gentle scraping until the surface is clean. Once the adhesive is gone, wash the area again with soap and water and dry thoroughly so no solvent remains. Then apply a stainless cleaner or a drop of light oil on a cloth to restore shine and blend the surface. Make sure to wipe with the grain of the steel for an even finish. If you notice light scratches, try a gentle rubbing compound on an inconspicuous spot first. This troubleshooting step prevents accidental overpolishing and keeps your stainless steel looking uniform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.